Jatend migao mar pur Mithika Linturi kawuono rwako pacho kaendi tana 16,000 mar mbolea ma Piny Algeria ochiwo ne piny Kenya. Linturi mane oloso Mombasa kane oyudo mbolea go opuoyo chiwruok mar Algeria ne siro pur ma Kenya ka. Okoni Kenya dwaro maromo tana 900 mar siro pur makare higani. Okoni higani sirikal bende ochano yudo ne jopur mbolea maromo tana 630 mar resogi kinde pur. Olero ni sirikal rango siro jopur ma kwan gi romo milion 6.4 ma osendikore.
With the aim of helping Kenya's farmers increase their productivity to meet the country's full self-sufficiency needs and to assure the food security.
We therefore hope that that partnership will continue and that the fertilizers come at the right time, because the planting season is just coming next month.
As a country, we require 900,000 metric tons of assorted fertilizer to adequately produce our food. The government, through my ministry, is committed to ensuring that smallholder farmers continue to access subsidized fertilizer in order to cushion them against the high cost of production.